Welcome to an epic journey through the cosmos. Today we are testing your knowledge of the most energetic, beautiful, and mysterious phenomena in deep space. Can you score a perfect 28? What is this super dense space object that has gravity so strong that not even light can escape? Is it A, white dwarf, B, black hole, or C, red giant? It's B, black hole. Gravity is so strong, light can't escape. Which spiral galaxy is our very own home planet located in? Is it A, Andromeda, B, Triangulum, or C, Milky Way? It's C, Milky Way. That is our home galaxy. What do we call these giant, colorful clouds of dust and gas in space where new stars are born? Is it A, nebula, B, asteroid, or C, black hole? It's A, nebula. These are stellar nurseries for new stars. What is this icy, dusty space object that grows a bright, glowing tail when it gets close to the sun? Is it A, meteorite, B, comet, or C, asteroid? It's B, comet. Sun's heat melts the ice, creating tails. What spectacular event happens when a giant star reaches the end of its life and explodes? Is it A, supernova, B, solar flare, or C, Big Bang? It's A, supernova. It is a giant star's explosive death. Which star is the closest one to Earth? Is it A, Sirius, B, Polaris, or C, the Sun? It's C, the Sun. It is our very own star. What do we call a streak of light made when a tiny space rock burns up in Earth's atmosphere? Is it A, meteor, B, comet, or C, pulsar? It's A, meteor. Space rocks burning up in the sky. What is the name of the closest major spiral galaxy to our own Milky Way? Is it A, Sombrero Galaxy, B, Andromeda Galaxy, or C, Whirlpool Galaxy? It's B, Andromeda Galaxy. It is our closest galactic neighbor. What type of rapidly spinning neutron star shoots out beams of radiation like a cosmic lighthouse? Is it A, pulsar, B, red giant, or C, brown dwarf? It's A, pulsar. It spins and beams light like lighthouses. What do we call any planet that orbits a star outside of our solar system? Is it A, rogue planet, B, dwarf planet, or C, exoplanet? It's C, exoplanet. These are planets outside our solar system. This famous ring-shaped cloud of gas is a planetary nebula. What is its common name? Is it A, Ring Nebula, B, Crab Nebula, or C, Orion Nebula? It's A, Ring Nebula. It looks like a glowing space donut. What unit of measurement do astronomers use to describe the distance light travels in 1 Earth year? Is it A, kilometer, B, light year, or C, astromile? It's B, light year, the distance light travels in a year. What is the friendly name for the habitable zone around a star where liquid water can exist on a planet? Is it A, frozen zone, B, Goldilocks zone, or C, hot zone? It's B, Goldilocks zone. Temperatures are just right for liquid water. Which famous space photograph shows these giant columns of interstellar gas and dust inside the Eagle Nebula? Is it A, Pillars of Creation, B, Cosmic Cliffs, or C, Helix Eye? It's A, Pillars of Creation, towering dust columns forming stars. What extremely bright and distant active galactic nucleus is powered by a supermassive black hole? Is it A, quasar, B, magnetar, or C, dark nebula? It's A, quasar, powered by supermassive black holes. What is the name of the leftover heat glow from the Big Bang that fills the entire universe? Is it A, cosmic microwave background, B, solar wind, or C, gamma ray burst? It's A, cosmic microwave background, leftover heat from the Big Bang. What extremely rare type of neutron star has an ultra-powerful magnetic field billions of times stronger than Earth's? Is it A, magnetar, B, pulsar, or C, red dwarf? It's A, magnetar. It has super powerful magnetic fields. Because of its flat disk and large central bulge, this deep space object is named after which type of hat? Is it A, fedora, B, top hat, or C, sombrero? It's C, sombrero. It looks like a classic Mexican hat. What is the name of the boundary around a black hole from which nothing can escape? Is it A, gravity well, B, event horizon, or C, singularity? It's B, event horizon, the point of no return. What invisible substance is thought to make up about 85% of all matter in the universe, even though we cannot see it directly? Is it A, dark matter, B, space dust, or C, ether? It's A, dark matter, invisible matter holding galaxies together. What do we call a planet that drifts freely through deep space without orbiting any star? Is it A, rogue planet, B, lost world, or C, exoplanet? It's A, rogue planet. It wanders space completely alone. What is the name of this rare phenomenon where gravity warps light from a distant galaxy into a perfect circle? Is it A, halo ring, B, Einstein ring, or C, Kepler loop? It's B, Einstein ring. Gravity warps light into a circle. What giant icy sphere of space debris is believed to surround our solar system at the very edge of interstellar space? Is it A, Oort cloud, B, Kuiper belt, or C, asteroid belt? It's A, Oort cloud, a giant shell of icy comets. What is the most powerful class of explosions in the universe, releasing more energy in seconds than our sun will in its entire lifetime? Is it A, gamma ray burst, B, hypernova, or C, solar flare? It's A, gamma ray burst, the most powerful explosions in space. What do we call these bright patches of nebulosity associated with newly born stars that shoot out narrow jets of gas? Is it A, Herbig-Haro objects, B, planetary nebulae, or C, protostellar rings? It's A, Herbig-Haro objects, jets of gas from newborn stars. What ripples in the fabric of space-time are created when two black holes collide? Is it A, cosmic ripples, B, gravitational waves, or C, magneto waves? It's B, gravitational waves, ripples in space from massive collisions. This dark nebula in the constellation Orion resembles which animal's head? Is it A, eagle, B, lion, or C, horse? It's C, horse! It looks just like a giant horse. What is the name of the maximum mass a white dwarf star can have before collapsing into a neutron star or black hole? Is it A, Schwarzschild radius, B, Chandrasekhar limit, or C, Hawking boundary? It's B, Chandrasekhar limit, the maximum mass for white dwarfs. How many cosmic questions did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more space adventures.